Hi, Evan. All right, sorry about that. I've got so many emails coming at me right now. It's easy to lose track of the questions that people are asking. I didn't even click into the fact that the Raptors question was from the exam review. I thought you were asking about one from a previous assignment. Sorry about that. All right, so the Toronto Raptors, a basketball team has 5 players on it, so that information I guess maybe should have been included. 2 are forwards, 2 are defense, and 1 is a point guard. So if no one plays more than one position, that means that all of these people who are described, like the 8 players here who are can play forward, and the 56 who can play defense, and that they have to play that position. They can't play a different position other than that. Then when we build our team, the number of ways that we can make a team would be if we have 8 to choose from for the 2 forward positions, and then 56 to choose from for the 2 defense positions, and then only 2 to choose from for the point guard position. So if you multiply those together, that's a number of different ways of choosing a team for for players who can't play anything but the position that they're listed in. For B, it changes slightly now because 3 of the players are able to play defense or forward, so you have a little bit of an overlap. And so in terms of that, we can move 3 of the players from the 56 defense players. We can move 3 of them over to go with the 8. So we have 11 to choose from when we're choosing the forwards. Now, assuming that we've chosen one of those, we would now have 58 to choose from for the defense players because we've already used one of those players, right? And so we would have, yes, we would have 58 to choose from, and then nothing will change in terms of the point guard. And so that's going to change the number of ways a little bit, just slightly different from A in terms of how you can figure out the size of the team, or the number of ways of choosing the team, not the size of the team. So I hope that helps, and again, my apologies for missing that email on that question.